House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop Unit 1 In the Classroom Whiteboard. The teacher wrote our names on the whiteboard. Pack. You should pack up your things at the end of the class. Many. I have so many pens in my pencil case. Clean. We had to clean our classroom at the end of the day. Marker. She used a green marker to write her name. Heavy. His backpack is so heavy. Ruler. Measure the length of this sheet of paper with your ruler. Speak. We need to speak to the teacher in English. Scissors. Be careful when you're using scissors. Raise. Raise your hand if you know the answer. House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop Unit 1 In the Classroom